It is easy to create meetings using Microsoft Teams. You can do this using your Microsoft 365 calendar, you can use your Outlook calendar, or you can even schedule it directly in Teams. Let's start first by looking at how to schedule in Teams. First, you will need to open up the Teams app. You can either do that by clicking on the Teams icon on your desktop if it's available. If it is not available, then go down to the Windows Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on that, scroll down and find Microsoft Teams and click on it. Once your Teams app has opened, you will notice that there's a calendar icon on the left-hand side of your screen. You can click on that to open your calendar, and then you can find the time and date in which you want to schedule your meeting, and just click on that area. You can give your meeting a title, invite your attendees. If your attendees are within the Teal College network, then their name will automatically populate. If not, you will have to enter in their entire email address. Then you add the date and the time in which you want the meeting to occur. You have the option of making it available all day. If you would like it to repeat as a recurring meeting, you may click here, and you will have options as far as how frequently you would like it to repeat. And then you can put any meeting details in as well. Once you have that completed, you can click send, and it will send the meeting and automatically schedule it send a meeting to the participants. To start the meeting, you can just click on the meeting time and click join. If you want to edit anything, then you just click edit. And if you wanted to copy the link and add it, for example, into your Moodle course page, you can do that by clicking copy link. Create a meeting from within your Outlook calendar. Simply click on New Meeting. Invite your participants. Give it a subject. Schedule your time, and then to add the Teams meeting link, you just click on the Teams icon at the top of your meeting window, and it will automatically add the link there so that your participant has the link right within their email. And then you simply send it to the participant. And finally, to schedule a Teams meeting using your Microsoft 365 calendar, you simply click on New Event. The process is relatively the same. You give it a title. You invite your participants. And then to actually make this a Teams meeting, you simply click on the toggle switch next in the location area, and it will create a Teams link for you. And then you click send to send it to your participants. No matter how you create and start your Teams meeting, you end up in the same spot when you click to join the meeting. To begin with, you have a page which allows you to adjust your own video and audio options, turning your camera on and off, applying background filters, checking your speaker, and so forth. Once you have those set, you can click Join Now, and it will connect you to your Teams meeting. This does just take a second or two to do. And then once you're in the meeting, it's very simple to navigate through Teams. This is a definite improvement from what we've seen in the past. Once you have started your Teams meeting, you'll be asked to let your participants in. And the gallery feature is much nicer at this point. It allows you to see up to 49 people on a screen. That seems a little overwhelming to me, so you may want to adjust that. But here would show your participants. You can open up a chat. Your participants can provide some emoji reactions. You can click to start breakout rooms. The More button shows you extra options. This is where you can adjust your gallery view. This is where you can select your meeting options as far as having some security controls as far as who is allowed the mic, as far as allowing cameras for attendees and so on. You can select to turn live captioning on. You can record your meeting, and you can also have a transcript so that you have that for future reference. You can obviously turn your microphone and your camera on and off, and then if you click share, this will pull up a window that will give you the options whether you want to share your immediate screen or all the windows that you currently have open. When you're done with your meeting, you simply click leave, and that will end the meeting for you and the participants. As you can see, some of the features that have been included in Teams have made it much nicer and easier to navigate through. And having many options for how to create your team meeting and where to create it has made it very easy as well.